What is that?
This is the golden mask of Tutankhamun. It is the most valuable item here.
Is it real?
Yes, it is real. It is very old, too.
What is on top?
There is a golden cobra. Look at it very carefully. Later, I will ask you about it.
A golden cobra. I will not forget that.
It looks very beautiful.
You know a lot about it.
That is true. I have worked here for 15 years. This place feels like my second home.
Dad, look! 3D animals from the past.
Mammoths and saber-toothed cats.
I want to see them.
First, stay close to us. The museum is closing now.
Ryan, why are you here?
I was helping this family, Director Leroy.
Go back to your work. Check the West Wing.
I already did.
Check it again.
He looks really upset.
Director Leroy will retire soon. He has been acting differently.
Mom, may Tom and I use the restroom? Please?
All right, but hurry. Megan, stay close to Tom.
We will wait here, near the mask.
We will be quick. After that, can we go see the 3D animals?
First, we come back to Mom and Dad.
Okay, let's go.
Attention, please. Everyone must leave the building now. This is an emergency.
What? Is something wrong?
Run!
No, the door is closed.
It will not open. We need another way out.
Megan, Tom!
They went to the restroom.
Please go outside now.
My kids are still inside.
They're just along that corridor.
Sir, ma'am, please. We need to empty the building first.
Please bring them outside.
We will.
Come on. We'll wait for them outside.
Megan! Tom!
I feel scared.
Stay next to me.
Are Mom and Dad outside?
Maybe. We need to find someone who works here.
Wait, I see someone.
Good. Maybe they will help us.
The alarm worked just as planned. We have little time left.
Stop talking. Take the case and go to the back door.
That is Director Leroy.
And Ryan?
Ryan will be blamed for this. He knows this place. He has the keys. Everyone will believe it was him.
They want to steal the mask.
And blame Ryan.
After tonight, I leave.
After tonight, I am free.
We must find Ryan.
What was that?
Someone is here.
Run!
Find them and take the mask, now!
Megan, what is that? It is moving.
They went that way.
Hurry!
I am scared.
Me too. But But we must keep moving.
Megan? Tom? Why are you here?
Director Leroy is following us.
He turned on the alarm. He wants to take the golden mask and blame you.
Blame me?
Yes, we heard him.
Come with me, now. Tell me everything you heard.
Director Leroy was not alone.
There was another guard.
They said the alarm worked. They said you would take the blame.
I knew something was not right. Director Leroy asked about cameras and the back door.
That Wong case.
No, they already took it.
Where are they going?
To the back door.
If they leave, the mask is gone.
And I lose my job.
Not yet. We can stop them.
We should call Mom and Dad. Call Dad now.
Dad, we are safe. Tom is here with me. Guard Ryan is with us.
Thank goodness.
Dad, listen to me. Director Leroy has taken the golden mask. You need to call the police right now. Tell them to go to the emergency exit.
Okay, I got it. Stay out of sight.
Are they safe?
Yes, Mom, we're safe. Please don't be scared.
Will the police get here soon?
Then we have to delay them.
With the animals?
Maybe.
Just not to injure them. Only to keep them here.
Listen, there are two ways to the back door. One way is short, through a staff hallway. The other way goes through the 3D room.
If they turn the wrong way, they will go there.
Yes,
Then we make them go that way.
I can make one hallway dark and the other bright. Then I can start the 3D system.
Mammoth?
Yes,
Saber-toothed cat?
yes. Megan will watch the screens. Tom will start the sound when she tells him. Stay here. Do not leave this room.
We will not.
If something goes wrong, call your father again.
My children are still inside. The thieves are going to the back door.
We are moving now.
This way feels strange.
Keep going.
Get ready.
Ready.
Now.
What was that?
Only a projection. Keep moving.
I do not like this place.
Then walk faster.
Tom, ready?
Ready.
Now.
That sounded real.
It was just sound. Do not panic.
No. No, no.
It is only light. Be careful.
I am leaving.
Take it. Move now. We are very close.
They are turning.
Good. Keep watching.
Ryan,
Put the case down, Director Leroy. It is finished.
Stay back. This is not your problem.
It is my problem. You want to blame me.
Let's go now.
Quiet.
Police are outside.
I do not believe you.
I saw them.
Then we go now.
They are still moving.
That is fine. We need more time.
Another sound?
Yes.
This is because of you.
Be quiet and unlock the door now.
You told me it would be simple.
Open it now.
Don't move! Put the case on the ground.
I did not want this.
Be quiet.
Hands up! It is over.
Where are my children?
They are safe. They are in the control room.
Thank goodness.
Is it over?
I think yes.
Megan, Tom, I was so worried.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I was very scared.
I know, but you did very well.
Let's check.
It is still there.
Golden crown.
Yes. Safe now. You stayed calm. And you were brave.
I almost pressed the wrong button.
But you didn't.
I really appreciate your help.
They supported me too.
Even more than that. They helped protect the museum.
Brave people are not always fearless. Sometimes they feel scared. But they still choose to do what is right.
I was scared.
Me too.
That's all right. The important thing is what you do after.
We stay together.
We don't go off on our own.
Good. That is right.
I still thought the dinosaur was real.
For a moment, I believed it too. Now let's go back to the first question. Who was paying attention?
What was on top of the pharaoh's golden mask?
The answer has 2 words. Did you get it?
If yes, leave your answer in the comments below.
Even a very short reply is enough.
We want to know who remembers it.
See you next time.